Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Premiere Pro for color management with Lumetri, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Premiere Pro for color management with Lumetri, first, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to manage colors. Navigate to the Edit menu located at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Preferences and then click on General. In the General Preferences window, locate the section titled Color Management. Enable the Display Color Management option by checking the Click OK to apply the changes and close the Preferences window. Next, import your footage into the project timeline. Select the clip you want to work with in the timeline. Go to the Color workspace by selecting Color from the Workspace drop-down in the upper right corner. With your clip selected, open the Lumetri Color panel, which should be visible within the Color workspace. If the Lumetri Color panel is not active, go to Window in the top menu and select Lumetri Color. In the Lumetri Color panel, explore the various sections: Basic Correction, Creative, Curves, Color Wheels. To adjust the basic color settings, begin with the Basic Correction panel. Use the Input LUT drop-down to apply a lookup table if desired. Adjust the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and black sliders to achieve your preferred look. Proceed to the Creative section to apply creative color effects or styles to your clip. Experiment with options like look, intensity, and faded film to enhance your footage. Next, navigate to the Curves section to fine-tune color adjustments using RGB curves. You can also use the color wheels for more refined control over shadows, midtones, and highlights. If necessary, use the HSL Secondary section to isolate specific colors within your footage. To finish, adjust the vignette settings for any desired darkening or lightening of the edges of your frame. Once you are satisfied with your color adjustments, close the Lumetri Color panel. To view your changes accurately, make sure your monitor is correctly calibrated for color. Finally, export your project using the most suitable format for your intended purpose. This concludes the detailed guide on activating Premiere Pro for color management with Lumetri. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.